We don't do no pillow talking out here.
We don't know pillow talking.
My pants are so tight, y'all. I got a camera on you, Mr. Policeman. I should have put on my damn riding pants. Shit. What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of UTHWP. And I am your host for today's event, Power. So I'm headed up to the Mamba's Den, our clubhouse. And we about to do some good stuff. Good stuff for the community. And this is one of those reasons why I really enjoy my club. And if some of y'all don't know that motorcycle clubs really do give back to the communities that they ride their motorcycles within. Did that just go? Let's cut through this way. So like I said, y'all, I'm headed up to the Mamba's Den. I don't know why I'm riding scared. Scared today. Let's go. You know, we come together, and this is just for clubs in general. We just come together and try to give back to those that may be less fortunate than us, or maybe in a situation that, hey, I can't get the turkey, or can't afford the meal, or hey, maybe today is just your day where you just happen to be riding around and like, oh, they're giving out free turkeys. Because nobody's going to be turned away. We're not going to question like, hey, do you need a turkey or not? Maybe now I can actually say what the hell I want to say. The police doing, why he busting a bitch? Police just bust a U-turn, y'all. He busted casually. So we'll see what's going to happen. Maybe he need to go another way. But his disposition was casual, so I don't think I'm in trouble or nothing. Damn, I need some gas. What's my time? I got time to do it. Yeah, maybe we should. I got a camera on you, Mr. Policeman. I guess maybe we'll get some gas. He doing all kinds of crazy shit. What the hell he doing? I think maybe he's seen somebody doing something. I think it's one of these cars up here. He's seen them doing something and he probably was going to pull them over or some shit. I don't know. But yeah. What's y'all holiday plans? What is she doing? She shitting in the car and waving it away? It's locked in. Oh, you in there smoking. Look at this death trap right there. All right, we ready to roll. You know what? I'm not gonna say anything about people driving today. I'm not. Let's get on 95. So I gotta be cautious of this person here because they may come over one more time. I don't know why they keep braking all of a sudden. Yep, see? They don't know where they're going. Okay, yeah, we ain't gonna talk about how people drive it today, y'all. Let's be positive. Traffic's flowing. Just easy peasy, breezy, sheezy. We in the turn. Coming in, you gotta use a little bit of caution because it might be some shit on this damn road. Aye, Richard.
We're over here making these Hennessy Coquitos, compliments of beast mode over here. Kings up, dog. We do more than ride. We know how to make drinks too. Stay thirsty.
Hey, we appreciate everybody coming out, participating in this Thanksgiving Day thing. It ain't a Kings of the South event. It ain't no Bill Cruises. It's collectively all of us. And we all of us, we make this thing happen. Appreciate everybody's hard work and dedication to making this event successful, because I already know it's going to be successful. Around 1:30, 2 o'clock. The thing is, if you hand out turkeys. Okay. The thing is, we don't want to go home with no turkeys. I'm tired of saying turkey. My wife said I can't bring no more turkeys. Please, we're gonna get rid of these turkeys, all right?
I just want to thank everybody again for coming out. Definitely looking forward to fellowshipping. This is definitely the beginning of something big. I think we can really turn around the community here in Richmond. Let's come together more often than not. Let's keep servicing the community and keep riding our bikes.
Big Mo.
Hey man, number love, man. It's always good to see everybody here, man. The urban set, we stick together. You know, nobody else, they don't have to tell us what to do, how to do it. We do it. All leaders in here, all these are the big clubs. Big clubs came together. We talked about it in here. We're here for a reason, man, because we lead this community right here. Let's lead it the right way, man. Have a good time today.
Bust the bus.
Yo, I stand with a motto, deeds, not words. Let's do that always, deeds, not words. Appreciate y'all.
Last but not least, he's Queen, Rick. Trying to get some brownie points, y'all.
All I have to say is it's truly a blessing that we are able to bless other families and we are better together, so we continue to support one another. We can make a greater impact in the community.
Come on in, you guys.
Yeah, good to see ya.
Good people, we out here doing good things for good people. At least doing our part for the communities in which we ride in, the communities in which we live in. We're doing it for y'all. Let me talk to this brother real quick. Hold that, brother.
Hey, we out here giving away free turkeys to anybody in the 804 community. Come on down here to 711 Hospital Street. You pull right in, get you a turkey, pull right on out. MC community, we out here fellowshipping as well. Like if you want to come out here, hang out with us for a little bit, please come through. But hey, we just out here just giving back, man. Everybody think we just ride motorcycles, but it's bigger than just motorcycling. It's all about taking care of the community that we come from. So appreciate everybody's support. We got Nubian Cruisers out here. We got Souls United. Of course, Queens of the South. Rare Breed has helped out. And we got Kings of the South as well that's out here. So it's going to be a beautiful day of fellowship. And Kings up. That's all I got.
Yeah, do you want to tell the people like why you wear your pants like that?
Let my feet breathe a little bit, man. So I like to pull my damn sweatpants, my socks over my shoes.
Okay.
Man,
You don't just want to show your shoes.
Yeah, it ain't just about the shoes, man. I do these in Crocs.
Okay.
I do the same thing in Crocs.
I got you. Get my damn bike.
What the fuck you drinking out of, man? Chalice. This motherfucker look like a goddamn.
What that Coquito?
Yeah. It'll be shitito in a little bit. Must got them a call. Y'all got a call too, huh?
Appreciate y'all stopping by. Shit.
Watch him work.
Boys got a call. They showed up and got a call. They headed out.
Oh, my bad. I'm not used to wearing this, but it's your girl Gabby from YouTube, Just Gab 757. If y'all haven't checked me out already, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Out here supporting Kings of the South. Turkey giveaway. Shout out to Power and everybody else for allowing me to come up here and kick it with y'all. So check me out.
Hell yeah, we got you.
Look, check this out. Hey, look, subscribe to Baggers of Bourbon. I'm gonna go ahead and pass it over to my bro.
What's up, y'all?
They got me the shirt though.
Hey, Hollis and caviar.
On the ground.
Hey, look, these bites get real expensive like caviar, so you gotta be real picky on what you ride, baby. This shit for real.
Hey, shout out to Sade. Hey, it's your boy, Power from UTHWP. I'll give you power. Subscribe to my little channel. I got a little channel going on. Hey, appreciate y'all that are subscribed to Just Gab for supporting me as well. All my subscribers, subscribe to this young lady right here. Just Gab. Her channel information will be coming up on the screen right now. Salute. Oh, UTHW.
We need a sticker.
Not the pillow talk, but we be doing the den talk up in here. Ain't that right, Victoria?
That's right. We doing the.
We don't do no pillow talking up here.
We don't know pillow talking. Only den talking around here.
Only den talking around here. That's right.
At the Kings of the South, Richmond.
I did. That's the best time.
Buster Soldiers United. We out here showing love, supporting the community, sharing turkeys with the people that may need them more than we do. We're absolutely thankful and excited to do this sort of thing. And I'm gonna pass it to my wife. Sin.
Yes.
On the spot. Here you go. Tell them who you are, what you do, and all that good shit.
Good morning. I'm Sin. You'll know me because I ride that beautiful little Indian Scout 60. And I'm here with Soldiers United support.
Did y'all catch that little diss in there that she just did?
If you didn't catch it, just go ahead and zoom in on that right there. You know what I'm saying?
See, she threw a little diss, y'all.
Yeah,
Don't
it's
listen
not a
to it.
diss. It's just, I'm just trying to save some lives out here on the set. You know what I'm saying?
A lot of people realize, man.
Oh, and this is my salty sister here. This is my salty sister, Boston, right here.
Thank you, Boston. Harley Rider, thank you to the core, first and foremost. Out here giving out turkeys to the community.
We appreciate you.
Thank you for having me.
Subscribe, never mind. Appreciate it, bro.
Come on, man. Come on, man. You know what this is.
Yeah. Appreciate it, bro.
You know what this is.
Hell yeah.
I'm looking at you in the garage.
Oh yeah, appreciate it.
Stuff around. Hey, I want to be like you when I grow up.
Hell no.
I'm looking at you in the garage. You know
Hell no. Appreciate it, bro. Y'all about to fight? Y'all about to fight in there in front of everybody? Y'all about to get in a fight?
Yeah.
Right here, man. Did we have to talk about it in the meeting, man? Hey, bro, we can't be fighting out here, bro.
We gave out over 150 turkeys today. That's some good shit, man.
Okay, man. This is where it starts, right here. We gotta keep this momentum going, not for ourselves, but for the community, man. It's a big area that we ride in, that we service, that we live in, man. We gotta be the difference that we want to see. So let's keep giving back. Let's keep making positive impacts. And let's keep doing this motorcycle thing, man. It starts with us right here in this room. You know, people that ain't in this room that want to be involved, get involved. But let's start this here, man, and continue to grow this thing, man. We are Richmond.
That's right.
All of us. We are Richmond. All of us.
Richmond.
So, let's get this thing popping. We're going to fellowship. We're going to take a shot. We're going to party and celebrate our accomplishments.
This right here, it shows you the impact that we have on the community. We put it out, about 2 months ago. Everybody rolled out, like you said, 150 turkeys. That's a tremendous impact right now, especially with this, what's going on in the world. In the United States, what's going on, people losing their jobs, people being let go. So this is a tremendous accomplishment, man. So thank you for everybody that's here, that came out, took the time on a Sunday, and gave back to the community. Bus.
We're thankful for our supporting chapters, connecting chapters around us, coming out, supporting us. Thankful for everything else everyone's done. This has been a great day. Deeds.
That's right. Queen Rip.
Just what everyone else said, thank you guys for coming out. And we also appreciate you fellas allowing us to come and participate in this as well. You know, it really made us feel included. And then I just want to say thank you. I think we made a great impact in the community. The families that came by, they were very appreciative. So let's keep this going. Let's make it bigger next year. Let's try to get more clubs to come in. Again, we are greater together.
We are 804, y'all. We are 804. Let's take these shots. 1, 2, 3. There it is.
Absolutely.
Give a shout out to our presidents that put this together.
Hell yeah.
This is big. This is monumental. It's just the beginning. Let's go.
Everybody charged?
Ready? Raise some glasses. Raise it up. All right, repeat after me.
Oh gosh.
If the ocean was full of liquor.
The ocean was full of liquor.
If I was a duck.
If I was a duck.
I swim my way to the bottom.
I swim my way to the bottom.
And drink my way up.
And drink my way up.
The ocean full of liquor.
The ocean full of liquor.
I ain't no motherfucking duck. Let's take these shots.
Let's take these shots.
And get fucked up. That's it. Right there. Play my shit. Take it to the head. Don't tell your mama I gave you a shot, okay?
Hey, it's loud alcohol, y'all. It's loud alcohol. Loving somebody loves you back.
I don't know if I'm recording in the right light or not, but it is what it is.
How does it get any better than this? Damn. I love your company, but I'd rather be by myself.